What's up, guys? If you're watching this video, chances are you are afraid of getting caught using AI in your writing, and you are looking up how does an AI detector actually work. And to be perfectly honest, you have a good reason to be worried. Programs like Turnitin, GPT-0, and Originality AI have been developed specifically for catching people who are just like you attempting to use AI in their essays, emails, and other professional tasks. So if you're wondering how does an AI detector work, it is actually very simple. Whenever AI generates text, it puts in what is called a watermark. Now, this is not a literal marking on the text or any little fonts or anything like that weird thrown in. It's actually deeper within the way the text is actually written. So for instance, certain word phrases, certain uses of letters, certain numbers of spaces between different words, and a whole bunch of other factors that are actually written into the text itself creates what is called a watermark here. In other words, AI writes text in a certain way that whenever another AI actually looks at it, it can tell that AI was used. This seems a little bit more complicated than it actually is. Again, this does not mean that there's anything weird written into the text itself, or that you can just copy and paste it from one document into another to remove it. It is actually much deeper than that, and that is exactly why you need to use what is called an AI Humanizer program if you're wondering how does an AI detector actually work. Now, if you want to bypass an AI detector, the best way to do it is to use a program like Grubby AI. Now, of course, I'm a little bit partial to Grubby AI because I was actually one of the software developers that helped to create the program itself. Now, we know very well how AI detectors actually work, and for that reason we built a program that is made to evade them. Whether you're a student, a marketer, or just another professional, there's a million reasons why you don't want people to know that you are using AI. And I'll tell you exactly how Grubby AI works. So what we did here is we actually trained Grubby AI on 1,000 different student essays, and really this is the best possible training data for any type of writing AI model. A, because people are typically on their best behavior whenever they're writing an essay, because the stakes are typically pretty high. They try to do their best work. At the same time though, it still contains natural sentence structure, real human-like flow, even the occasional imperfection that makes the entire thing very human. And we took that same essence of realness and put it into a program that you can go and you can actually take your ChatGPT generated drafts, put it into our program, and it will come out completely undetectable, so nobody will ever know that you used AI. And the last thing I'll say here is don't underestimate how well these AI detectors actually work. The truth is they're actually very good. Programs like GPT-0, Turnitin, or Originality AI are million, sometimes billion-dollar companies with a ton of research and development every single year so that they can stay on top of these trends. And if you want to bypass AI detection, you need another program with a team that is just as good as those to ultimately win in this scenario. So guys, that's it from me today. If you want to try out Grubby AI, you can just go hit grubby.ai and you'll actually get 300 free words to play with. That means that you can actually see how well the program works itself before spending any money whatsoever, because we wanted to create a program that is extremely useful, wasn't out there yet, and above all else, helps you. Anyway, guys, that's all from me. Go ahead, hit Grubby AI, sign up for an account, try it out, and until then, I'll see you on the inside.